Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are decorating a 2026 themed graduation cake. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's graduation cake. So we have our buttercream frostings here. This is my perfect American buttercream frosting, colored in the shade orange. We have the white one here, and then we have some printouts, edible balls. Then we have our decorative tools, flowers here, some balls, and all the necessary stuff needed for the cake decoration. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We'll start by cleaning the board, then we'll smear some of the frosting onto it. We'll place on our vanilla cake layer, add the syrup, then we'll add the frosting and then the red velvet. Now we'll add some of the syrup to the red velvet and then we'll crumb coat the cake and we'll leave it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Then we'll move on to the covering. After it has been removed from the freezer, we'll add the final coat of frosting. We'll smoothen it out nicely. After the smoothing of the cake, we are going to make a spiral movement on the top. This is my favorite kind of design on the top parts of cake that I make. This is how the cake looks like after all the covering and smoothing was done. So now we are going to add our flowers, the decorative ball, and our fan here. Before we get into the next aspect of the decoration, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. Now we'll add the cake fan and then we'll start placing the balls kept to it, and then the congratulatory message, and then we add our roses. Now we'll add some sprinkles to finish it off. And this is how the cake looks like after all the decoration is done. So we are going to package it as per usual. We'll add the lid. Then I'll add my business sticker. And this is how it looks like. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.